Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So in today's video we're going to be talking about some drugstore foundations and I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to go through each and every one of my drugstore foundations and I'm going to tell you which one worked, which one didn't. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the skin and all of that stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in that, stay tuned and watch the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I really hope you had a wonderful time. I myself really have had a beautiful Christmas and New Year's Eve, and I'm happy to be here with you again. So yeah, I wish you all the best, and now let's get into the makeup. The first foundation I'm going to be talking about is this one from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation, and it claims to be high coverage and medium texture. I personally don't like this foundation. It is high coverage and the texture is medium. It's not a very thick foundation, so you can get away with it, but it creased on me a lot, so I really didn't like that. So that's why I don't recommend this foundation. Okay, so the next foundation I'm going to be talking about is this one from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and as the name says, this is a super blendable foundation. It's very thin in consistency, which I love, so you cannot even see it on the skin, and it gives you that a little bit of coverage. It's not full coverage by any means. It's low to medium coverage, but it's almost undetectable on the skin, which I love. So it's great to wear during the daytime and for work, so I highly recommend this foundation from L'Oreal. The next foundation I'm going to be talking about is this one from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation, and this is a full coverage foundation from the drugstore, and I thought this one was going to be a holy grail foundation because I love full coverage foundations, but I actually had quite a few issues with this one. It wouldn't melt into my skin, it just sat on top, which I didn't like. I later found out that it didn't work with some of my primers, so that was the main issue. But still, I rarely reach for it. I just don't use it. It's very thick in consistency and I don't think it lasts 24 hours. It just won't melt into the skin, which is a big problem in my opinion. So yeah. The next foundation I'm going to be testing out today is this one. I'm testing this one out for the first time. This is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation, and I was expecting more from this foundation. It claims to be oil-free, water-based, full coverage, mineral enriched and matte finished. So yeah, I really don't like this foundation. It's not full coverage and it's very visible on the skin, which I don't like. I don't like looking like I have a ton of makeup on my face. So yeah, this one is a pass. The next foundation I'm going to be talking about is this one. This is the Milani Conceal And Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and this is actually my favorite foundation out of all of them. It's very thin in consistency, considering that it's full coverage, and you can get away with using this during the daytime, which is amazing. The shades are not that great. I don't like the shade range, and yeah, that's my only issue, and it oxidizes a little bit, which I am not a fan of. But other than that, this is a beautiful, beautiful foundation, and I really recommend it. So these two over here are winners in my opinion for different reasons. Obviously, if you're looking for a more coverage night out foundation, go with this one. If you're a little bit older and you like to wear your makeup during the daytime, go for the L'Oreal one. So yeah. And yeah, that concludes this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'm back now, so I'm going to be here twice a week, and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!